m to the power n and to the base a should be equal to n log m to the base a. This is what it should be equal to. Okay. So let's talk about it as to why would this be like this, right? So what we can do is, right, let's talk about this part itself. So we have got log a to the base, sorry, m to the base a, and we call it x, for example. So this will become, and this is what it is, right? The next step, my next step is that my a to the power x would be equal to m. This is what I can understand, right? So my x, a to the power x is actually equal to m, is what is the understanding I'm having. If I'm talking about this part, I'm calling it, say, y for the timing, a m to the power n as y, RHS. Then the next step is that a to the power y is actually equal to m to the power n. Again, from the mm, definition of logarithm, right? Now, what is your m? M is this, right? M is actually a to the power x, right? Now, this a to the power x into n, to the power n is there. In the next step, I can say that this is a to the power nx, right? Now, both the sides, the base is same, the power should be as well same. So, y should be equal to nx. As y is equal to nx, so let's put the values down. So, this is log m to the power n to the base a should be equal to n into log m to the base a. So, this is what is your result, which is over here.